bar and type yashikakhare.eth, and literally my website would appear there. It would be a crypto native website that would appear on both of these browsers, which means I'm also getting a website on my name, right? So that is what is the good thing about ENS domains and crypto domains in general. In Unstoppable Domains, you have the option of adding your 270 addresses, which means if you have Bitcoin, Solana, Ether, Matic, BNB, name the coins. They have about 270 coins whose addresses you can put in there. And say, for example, you just don't want to send me Ether. Tomorrow, if you want to send me a Bitcoin, you just have to type the same thing, yashikakhare.crypto, and my Bitcoin address will be automatically taken up by the wallet. If you type yashikakhare.crypto, automatically the Solana address would be taken up. If you're trying to send me BNB, you just type yashikakhare.crypto and automatically that thing will be taken up again. So that makes the stuff even more easier for the sender also and for the receiver also. So these are some of the things that are great in the ENS domains and crypto domain, I mean the CNS, which is the crypto name services. And in crypto name services, we're talking about two major ones. Yesterday we spoke about ENS and today we're talking about Unstoppable Domains. Now, one more thing that ENS domains, so yesterday in ENS domains, I dropped you a link, guys, and I told you that in case you wanted to host your own website on your ETH domain, this is the way to go. You can go through that, and there were some technical steps mentioned where you could, like I said, convert your web page into a DApp, into a single page decentralized app, and then get it hosted on IPFS. So there was a technical procedure to that. Today I figured out while I was researching about Unstoppable Domains that Unstoppable Domains has pre-made landing pages, which means that I literally do not have to go through all that hassles of making my website IPFS, blah 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 blah. Instead of that, I can just go here, get a .crypto domain, and after getting a .crypto domain, all I have to do is I have to go and I have to set up my landing page. So there are pre-made templates available where whatever information I want to put in, I can put in there, and that would serve as my website. That is point number one. Point number two is if I am an NFT investor, collector, or I am someone who's very much into collecting NFTs and I want to flaunt my collection, I can build my own NFT galleries. But shart itni si hai, your NFTs and the domain where you're attaching this particular wallet to, both of these things have to be in the same wallet. So for example, I have wallet A, or us wallet A mein I have 10 NFTs that I have taken. Now I have another wallet B, and on this wallet B I have taken this .crypto domain. Then definitely this will not show up in my NFT gallery because this particular wallet does not have any NFT, right? So in which domain? So for say for example, for wallet A, in wallet A I have 10 NFTs already which I have bought, and on that same wallet I have taken the .crypto domain. Now if I go and build up my own NFT gallery, all the Ethereum and Polygon based NFTs that I have in this particular wallet will be showed up as an NFT gallery, which means it is great for artists when they want to show off their artwork. It also works as a login. So if you go on any Web3 website and you feel like you want to log in, so how do we do it in a Web2 website? How do we go? Say for example, I go on Spotify and I have to log in. I have options like connect through Google, connect through Facebook, right, where it goes via my own username and ID. It takes from there and it creates, and I am able to log in on that app. Same way, in Web3, if I have to log in, there is one option called connect your wallet. In the connect your wallet, if I just type yashikakhare.crypto, it will automatically take which Ethereum public address I'm talking about, and it will log me in. So that will also act as my digital login identity. Okay. So these are the things that we can do in Unstoppable Domains, and I'm so excited to show you. I told you that, right, last year or starting of this year, there was a competition on Twitter that happened, which was done by Unstoppable Domains. And what they did was they gave this competition like, who you think is your favorite NFT artist, tag them. And, if we like their work, we will give you a $40 credit of getting a website on Unstoppable Domains. And I was like, it was worth a try. I, in no hopes of winning it, I just tried and I tagged my favorite NFT artist. She is Melis from Turkey, and I also interviewed her for her NFT collection. She was one of the youngest artists to get selected to display her NFT art in the Paris Hilton NFT exhibition when it was all happening virtual. So she was selected for that. I had amazing time seeing her artwork, and it really inspired me. I tagged her, and in return of that, I won that competition, and I actually got $40 store credit. And I thought probably that because I did not use it for a very long time, it must have gone away. But to my surprise, the credit is still there, which means that right now in my wallet, I have a $40 credit with which I can buy a Unstoppable domain website. I'm sorry, Unstoppable domain. Okay. And one more good thing I want to talk about Unstoppable domain is recently, if you follow NFT news, there was a recent news that in collaboration with Saudi Arabia, Unstoppable Domains is going to give away 1 million domains, 1 million unstoppable domains to the women in Saudi Arabia. And why they're wanting to do that is because they say that, women, if you talk about the stats in the Web3 world, it is said that 81% of the people in Web3 are male, and it's only 19% that are female. So, Unstoppable Domain feels like if we could get women on crypto, the best introduction for that would be, to get them a domain, and that's why it is providing them for free. I know probably at this point you must be feeling, why are we not in Saudi Arabia? But don't feel bad for it. By the end of this session, I'm going to provide you a way where you can also get your own domain for a little lesser price than everybody else. Okay, so are we excited? We're about to start how to buy your own unstoppable domain. And you guys are going to suggest me. Do you have any suggestions for me? Like, what should be the domain that I should buy? What domain? I'm thinking of yashikakhater.crypto because I've already had yashikakhater.eth. I want to have that same brand everywhere. In fact, actually, I had a separate idea in my mind in January when I launched my own NFT art on Async Art. I actually made a name for me, and that name I'm just writing here in the chat box. Tell me how it is. And tell me if you understand what that meant. So this is what I actually created as my username on Async website. And I really loved the way on how I was able to say she, and that also comes in my name, Yashi. So Yashi is also short form of Yashika, how my friends also call me. So I was like, yeah, she made this. So yeah is like YA, yeah, and she is like she made this. So yeah, she made this. So I thought probably, I should buy a domain name which is something like yeah, she made this. But I was thinking if I should go with Yashi made this or I should go with yashikakhater.crypto. Tell me, guys, tell me, help me, help me. What do you think it should be? Pranav says, oh wow, this is really good. Vishishta says, love it, love it, love it, love it. Farhan says, it's pretty good. Okay, cool. Which means like everybody's trying to tell me that Yashi made this is a good choice. So I think I will keep that. And okay, let's move to unstoppable domains right now. Let me open Google Chrome. Okay, here we come. Oh, where is Crater? Where is Crater? Oh yeah, here you are. Cool. So I'm sharing my screen. And everybody here, Pranav, Vishishta, Farhan, Danisha has said that this is nice. So thank you so much. I sort of feel that creative rush inside me and it makes me feel good. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting. Okay, like I told, never be reliant on Google search. So just type the entire thing for yourself. Unstoppable domains, domain with an S, unstoppabledomains.com. And that's where you press enter. And you see here that my account is already logged in. I would sign out for you guys so that I can explain how this thing looks like. So I just go on unstoppabledomains.com and this is how the website looks. These are all the things that they have: .crypto, .nft, .x, .wallet, .bitcoin, .dao, .888, .coin, .zil, .blockchain. Now, .zil is basically if you want to mint this domain on Zilliqa blockchain. So like we have a lot of blockchains, right? We have Solana blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, Bitcoin blockchain, Polygon blockchain. Like the same way, there's another blockchain which is called Zilliqa. So if you want to mint your NFT domain on the Zilliqa blockchain, it is called .zil. So if anyone's interested in doing that, they can opt for .zil. Otherwise, if you want to build your own website or you want to build your own NFT gallery with this domain for free, then you can do it .crypto. .crypto would be the ideal choice in that case. .nft, if you are more interested into NFTs. .x is because it is a very short form, right? So it saves you the hassle of typing so much. So that's why .x domains go for much more higher. .wallet, all of these, actually have the capacity of having a lot of uh, it can connect to a lot of coins at the same time. On the Unstoppable Domains website, it tells that you can connect more than 270 coins on this particular website, on any of the particular domain that you select here. And like yesterday, I told you, numbered domains are also possible. The lesser is your number of letters that you're using, the more priced it would be. Say, for example, if I was doing something like 123.com, I'm sure it must have been taken. See, 123.x.crypto.coin, everything is taken in this. But it is giving me suggestions. If you see, if I do 123s.x, it is $1,500. Good thing here in Unstoppable Domains is that even if you don't have crypto, there are few people who are not crypto native, who don't have MetaMask wallets, who don't have Ether in their wallet. How do they buy? So this Unstoppable Domains gives you an option of buying in dollars. So if you just want to do a credit card, debit card transaction, you could as well swipe and the domain could be yours. You literally did not have to be crypto native in order to buy this domain. Okay, so you see that there are different prices, and why these prices are different. So this one is a little bigger, Chrome 123.x. So that's a little bigger. That's why $25 is okay. If you go for a little shorter, like Sam 123.x, that's a little shorter, so it's $125. 123s.x is even more smaller, so it is 1500x. So this is a plain difference for you to understand how the number of letters really matter here. And then .x domains are going to be costlier, and other domains are comparatively not that costly. Say, for example, if I was to check Yashika Khated and this search, you see, if I have to buy .x domain, it is $100. .crypto is 40. .coin is 40. .wallet is 20. .bitcoin 40. 888 20. NFT 20. DAO 20. ZIL 20. Blockchain 10. So when DAO would be useful for me? For example, if I was to create a DAO, which is called Decentralized Autonomous Organization. This is basically like, say, for example, we all are friends here at Creator, right? So I, along with the 790 people that follow me, if all of us form one group, and I give everybody one Yashica token. Okay, so everybody has one Yashica token, and total supply of our token is 1,000 tokens, say, for example. So in this 1,000 tokens, say, for example, Vishishta is having 3 tokens, okay, and Rahil is having 5 tokens. Somebody else is having 2 tokens. Someone else has 1 token. Depending on how much tokens you have, that much is the voting power of yours. So, for example, somebody having 5 tokens has a greater say in what we want to do in order of approving. So every token will count as one vote, basically. So say, for example, tomorrow we thought, okay, shall we create one group where we can all meet, and this group is going to be on Telegram. So we'll do a voting, and in the voting, depending on how many tokens of Yashica tokens you have, you guys can cast your vote, and depending on that, whatever we get in majority is what we will go through. So these are examples of DAO. DAO is Decentralized Autonomous Organization, where the decision is not just taken by Yashica, but it is taken by the entire team based on the votes and based on majority. That's why it is decentralized, because the power is in everybody's hand who holds the token, and it is not in one person's hand. Okay, so this if I wish to construct a DAO, I could use .dao as well here. So right now, because you guys told me that I should go with, yeah, she made this. Let's see if that's taken already. Okay, cool. Looks like it's not taken. So we have all these options, but because definitely I would want to create a website out of this with Unstoppable Domains, I would go with .crypto extensions here. Okay, but there are different options that it would tell me, yeah, she made this image.x, yeah, she made this map, yeah, she made this bubble, whatever, blah 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 blah. So they have given all the examples until 50. So I think there are 500 plus examples that they have given me, which I can use. But as of now, we know that we want to create a dot crypto and it's going to charge me $40 for that. Okay, cool, no problem. So let's add this to cart, and it is added. I will continue to cart, and total due $40, and that's the amount of credit I have. Oh, sorry, I did not even log in. So how will it do? Cool. I'll continue with Google because I had signed up using my email ID. So I will log in, and that's when it will realize that I have a store credit of $40. So basically, I have to pay nothing for it, and I get this technically for free. Cool. So, guys, is this a good choice? Should I go ahead with this, or you guys have a suggestion for me? Looking forward. Azim says, "My God, that's too expensive." Yes, Azim. .x blockchains are certainly expensive. .x domain names are certainly expensive, but the other ones are not. So, what do you guys? What do you think? Should we go ahead with Yashi made this .crypto, or you have any suggestions for me? Minnie says, "Oh my God, I got one that we can try." What is it, Minnie? Tell me. I'm excited. Looks like you have got a great idea. Oh, BJP. I don't think they'll have this option, but it'll be good to try. Why not? Let's see. Okay, let me go on domain search and see if it would allow me to do something with BJP. Oh, you see, it's $1,500. First of all, why? Okay, $3,000 if it is crypto, and why? Because it's a three-letter thing. Three letters things are going to be more expensive. I mean, we definitely don't want to spend 80. How much? It's 2,50,000 worth rupees in buying a BJP domain, right? We definitely don't want to do that. So let's get back to our original. Yashi made this crypto. What do you think? Should we go ahead with Yashi made this crypto, or should I go for Yashika Khated crypto? What do you think? If you think Yashi made this, then write 1. If you think Yashika Khated crypto, then write 2. If you have any other suggestion, write that. Vishishta says 1. Cool. I'm waiting for others. Azim says 1 as well. Okay. So Yashi made this. 2 votes for Yashi made this, and 1 vote for Yashika Khated crypto. Okay, one more. Okay, 3 and 1. Anyone? Okay, Sankalp, Santu. Oh, this is getting too close. Pranav is saying 1. Now it's 4 versus 2. What would win? Tick, tick, 1. Vivek says 2. Wow. Are you guys purposely trying to make it hard for me so that we don't get to a conclusion? So, okay, Varan says 2. So now it's 4:4. Oh my God, now what do I do? Now, whoever comments the next, that is what will go with the final thing. Tick, tick, 1. Tick, tick, 2. Tick, tick, 3. Guys, somebody comment. I am stuck. Oh, Vishishta again. She wrote 1. Cool. Okay, fine. So let's go with 1. Yes, Vishishta, you won. You took it again. You messaged again, and so I'll take that into consideration. And we go for she made this. Okay, and she made this crypto is what we will go for. And I think I already have it. She made this crypto, $40. All done here. Do I live in the US? Unfortunately, no, I don't. And then we click checkout. Lovely. Pay with the credit. Yes. So it's done. Awesome. Cool. So go to my domain. And here you can see that Yashi made this .crypto is ours. So now this is step 1 of buying this domain, which means that this domain, I have bought it now, but this domain has not gone on the blockchain yet, which means that this has not become an NFT yet, which means, so what does that mean? If you will just write on this, probably it will give you a big article which would say that you have just reserved this domain name for yourself, but it has not yet gone on the blockchain. And for us to make this go on the blockchain, if it was through Ethereum, definitely I have to pay gas fees, what we did yesterday. You remember the cost of the domain name was not much. It was only 0.004 Ether. But the gas price along with it made it go up till $50, which means it became a 3,000 rupees transaction only because the gas price was involved, and gas price was a lot. Here in this case, if I was to do it through Ethereum, definitely I have to pay gas price again. But Unstoppable Domains has this option of minting this for free, which means if I do it through Polygon, it becomes much more easier, and it will definitely and certainly get this everything done for free, which means no gas price to be paid. For in order for me to take this domain on the blockchain, it is going to be absolutely free. What do I do on that? For that, I have to mint it on Polygon. Okay, so the Polygon blockchain fees is covered by Unstoppable at the moment, which means that whatever little gas price that Polygon minting is going to cost, that is going to be taken care by Unstoppable Domains, which means I don't have to do it. And definitely I already have my wallet attached here, and that's why it is able to show me in case I did not have that, what I need to do in that case. So if you don't have it, this is a very important step, guys. Please take note of this. You have to go on polygonscan.com. Okay, so like we have Etherscan, which is a Ethereum blockchain explorer for Ethereum, Polygon Scan for Polygon, BSC Scan for BNB chain. So this is for Polygon. Okay, so you go on this website polygonscan.com, and then you swipe all the way down and you come here to add Polygon network. Now what it does, if you generally see MetaMask usually has your Ethereum mainnet there, right? Right now it is on Matic mainnet, but usually it will be on Ethereum mainnet, but it will show your Ethereum, how much ever Ethereum you're having or Ethereum related tokens. But if I wanted to shift on Polygon mainnet, I have to add the Polygon network. So I go on polygonscan.com, go to the footer of the website, add Polygon network, and it will say, it will go to my MetaMask and it will say switch network. I do the switching network. Now the Matic Polygon Polygon mainnet will get added to my MetaMask. And now I am on Polygon. So right now in this particular wallet, I already have some Polygon with me. So not a problem. We can go ahead. And right now there are 0 domains in the Polygon minted. So because I have a ETH domain, but that's on the Ethereum mainnet, right? On the Polygon mainnet, I don't have any domain right now. So if I just click on this, this is the domain owner is going to be assigned the following address. I understand and I confirm. And after I confirm, they are sending a verification code on my email. I just have to visit my email and get that thing. I have to give the OTP sort of a code which they have sent me. And after I put it here, it is going to just show it to me. 1 second. Let me see if my email is open. It looks my email is not open. So I'll just click on Gmail and get my thing. Until then, anybody has any doubt, you can ask me in the questions. Yeah, so there is, okay, now I can share my screen, I guess. Yeah, so this is the OTP it sent me. I am coming here, pasting it. The minting process has started, and within few minutes, it says usually around 10 minutes, it takes for Polygon to mint it on the blockchain. And after that happens, if I go on OpenSea or anywhere in my wallet, I can see I'll have this domain in the form of an NFT, which means that this domain is on the blockchain right now. And I can, if I want to track progress, I can go here and this is the transaction ID, this is the domain. I go here, oh, it's a success, which means it's happened. It's happened immediately. And you see what is the value? It's 0 Matic, which means nothing happened. Transaction fee was $0.01. That was covered by the Unstoppable domain. So I literally had to pay nothing. And here, if I go and check, so I'll go on my account, go on my domains. So this is my domain. I just refresh this because it is, oh, it is pending. It says, probably it is not reflected here. The status is success. It is taking a little time to get refreshed. No problem. We can wait for that. So until then, it is going to appear here anyways. What I meant to say was it will come up here in my domains and it would say that it is minted. And after that, I can click on manage and I can develop either a website on this or I can develop my own NFT gallery on this using their pre-made templates that they have, which means it makes the work so much easier for me. I literally don't have to go through all the hassles that I had to go through in the ETH domain in order to, attach a website to it. Here, Unstoppable Domains by itself is providing me the feature where I would get this thing done for uh, easier, in an easier manner, right? So that is exactly how we buy an unstoppable domain. And if you wanted to understand what are the domains available, because say for example, we don't want something related to our names, but we are wanting to buy something which is flippable, which we think will have more value. If you are into it for flipping, for making money out of it, then this is what you should be doing. Oh, I made it into a full screen. No, go back. Yeah, share screen. Yeah, so in that case, you'll come here on premium domains and you will see that there are about 1084 domains, which are 4-character domains. And if I say price high to low, it would tell me earn.crypto. Now, earn.crypto is an amazing thing, right? A lot of websites, a lot of projects that would promote earning through crypto would want this sort of domain. But in order to buy that, it is 1 lakh US dollar, which is around about 78 lakhs. Definitely not worth it. Oh, but it's also sold. And then coin.nft. So it lists me all the option: moon, meme, love, coin, cash, your, hope, dogs, toys, and all of these. If I want to be specific, like I want to only check about dot crypto wallets, and the status should be available, and the price should be low to high. Probably, if I want to do that, will tell me. So the least available, the least starting point is $2,400, which is still a lot of money, right? So $2,400 and 103 domains are here. So if I wanted something related to, say, for example, finance, so corp.crypto, cost.crypto, answers.crypto, fees.crypto. These are pretty good, but definitely they are on the higher price. So you can, according to your risk appetite, understand what you want to invest in and accordingly buy a domain, right? And these are all the options: 3-character, 4-character, 3-character also. See, 10 grams, 21M. 21M, why 21M is important? Because Bitcoin is capped at 21 million Bitcoins, right? So that's why 21M becomes important. 2FA, two-factor authentication, A2A, A2B, what nonsense people have made. Okay, age, ago, air, aim, all sorts of crypto domains are available here. If you want to flip domains, probably this could be the way to find those domains. Now let's check. Yes, you see, Yashi made this dot crypto is done. It's made. So now what I need to do, I just need to click on manage. And after I click on manage, it brings up the entire details that I can attach to this particular NFT. I can attach a profile picture, which could definitely be one of the NFTs that I own. I can add a cover like I do on my social medias. I can add an avatar, which could be the NFT. I could add my name, my short bio from where I am, my website, all my links to Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, Discord, Telegram. Everything can come here. I can create badges for myself. I can verify that I'm a human. I can add email to this. Great. In crypto, I can add all these addresses. If I have Bitcoin address, Ether address, Litecoin, Ripple, Zilliqa, Matic in BP20, ERC20, all these can be added here. If I wanted to add some more, see, there are 226 plus other applications that support these domains. If I want to make my own website, see here, this is the option. So I go here, create website, and it would take me to pre-made templates. And then I can create this website myself, and it can directly be uploaded to IPFS. So if I have a website already made, I just want to put it up on IPFS, which is the Interplanetary File System. I can do it here. If I have a website already, which is already made, and I want to link it to an existing website, I can do that. If I want to create a website, I can do that using the templates. Say, for example, tomorrow somebody else wanted this domain from me. They were like, they were ready to offer me, say, for example, 10 Ether for it. I took the 10 Ether from them, and then I can just, transfer this particular NFT to their address. Now this won't be related to my address anymore, and it will take up all the things that they own and they put in their things, right? So I can transfer this. If I want to sell the domain, if I want to list it for sale, say for example, nobody came up with an offer, but I am saying that I am ready to sell this up. So I can list it for sale, and I can put my own price. If I want to put it on list on OpenSea, I can list it here. And then it is on Polygon anyways, so it's without gas fees. And then there's some new option called yeah, okay. So if I start doing this, if I click reverse resolution, now what will happen? Instead of displaying my wallet address, it would display yashimade.this.crypto, and probably yashikakhatte.eth would not be visible anymore, because I already have yashikakhatte.eth on the same address. I wouldn't want to do that. So it's okay. I am okay not to have this reverse done and reverse named on my account as of now. So I can click on that. So for the website, I can go on create website, and if I wanted to do a personal website, these are the templates that are available. I am a sort of person, I think something like this or this would explain me more. So I would create my website. I would come on this. I can have my picture here. I can have my about section, my portfolio, my experience, all my social handles here. One of my trip pictures where I was standing on the tallest bridge of Asia, where I went with a scooty, where people go with bullet. I went on the highest bridge of Malaysia just through a scooty. I would flaunt that particular picture here and made this website very interesting. I can put about me, I can put all my portfolio, all my videos that I have made for companies where I got paid, all my paid collabs and everything. My experiences can come here, and I can change everything. I want to change the media link, the background color of the website, the about text, everything can be done here. And I just have to click on publish to IPFS, and the website will be made. Now what happens now, if I go on Opera or Brave browser and go and type Yashi made this .crypto, automatically the website that I have related to that particular thing will open up. And that's how this particular thing is going to serve as a website as well. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Any question if you want to ask? I'm up for any question if you guys have any question. And are we clear? Are we clear on understanding how this thing gets made? You can also as well make a NFT gallery, but I think as of now, either you can do an NFT gallery or a website. So we can choose which is more dearer to us, and probably accordingly build something like that. That is how it needs to be done. Cool. Anybody needs to ask anything can ask me any question, and I hope it made sense. Now you understand why it is important. And for example, if you wanted to create your own your own link, say for example, you did not want .crypto, but you wanted .nft. .nft is available only for $20. $20 is how much? Close to 1400 rupees. But if you use this code from me, which I have dropped on the chat box, you would get a $10 discount, which means that instead of $20, you just have to pay $10. And $10 is approximately what, 700 to 800 rupees. And within that, you can get your own NFT domain where you can have all the things added up. You can make your own website. You can do everything that we just mentioned right now. So don't forget to use this code. With this code, you can get a $10 off. And what better than, everybody loves a discount, right? So if you guys love discount, and if you're looking up to make something like this, I think this would be a great thing. Now I think at this point we can compare ENS versus Unstoppable domain. The best thing about Unstoppable domains that it is, pay once and you have it for entire lifetime, which means Yashi made this .crypto is mine forever now. Nobody else in the world can own this. It is completely there on the blockchain, publicly verifiable, and anybody in the world, I mean, nobody in the world can own it. Only I can, and anybody in the world can publicly see it. Second thing, I can have a website on it, and it gives me a template where I can make all this, which makes it even more easier. If I do an NFT gallery, which gives me more exposure, which gives me exposure to more and more people using my NFTs, displaying my NFTs as an artwork or probably what I've collected, that makes it more interesting. In ENS, what is better is it has been around for quite some time, and in ENS works like a DAO. I told you what a DAO is. DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. So in ENS it works like a DAO, which means that anything that happens in ENS is not one man's decision. It is taken by all the people who are owning ENS token. So I told you that ENS token was airdropped to everyone who were early supporters of the ENS domains, right? So those people who had those ENS domains got the ENS token airdropped, and according to who got how much ENS tokens, they are able to vote. And that makes it a decentralized organization, which means, decentralized organizations tend to do better in the long run. As far as using these domains are concerned, we are literally very early and we are building up. So yesterday, one of my friend asked me, you think I should buy this for 5 years or I should buy this for 10 years? And I told him the reason I brought it, the logic behind me buying it for 5 years was that, in order for this to become something valuable and being a very hyped up thing for everybody in the world to be using, I think at least it needs 5 years in order to become something. And that's the reason I got my domain for 5 years. I would, in fact, like to ask Vishishta and Rahul, who brought their own domains yesterday, for how long, for how many years did you buy your domains for, and why? What was your reason for buying for that long? That would be my question to you guys. So my reason was, oh, Vishishta bought for 5. That's amazing, Vishishta. I like it. So that's amazing, because that definitely we are so early in this that we are making a bet. Definitely they have some perks associated with it, but in order for us to to reap fruits of these perks, we literally need some time, and that time is definitely at the minimum 5 years. So 5 years is what I went through. Vishishta also went through with 5. Rahil went with 5 as well, but he's planning to extend it to 8. That's amazing, Rahil. I mean, you have another 5 years to plan if you want to extend it or not. So it's up to you, anyways. So, yes, this is for, that is how you should go about and decide if you want to invest in this or not. In Unstoppable domains, I feel, paying 600 to 700 rupees, it's just like going out in a restaurant one time and, just eating a pizza and coming back. So if something for that equivalent you are able to get an Unstoppable domain for your entire lifetime for free, I think for free as in, like, you pay once and you get it for entire lifetime, it is worth a deal to invest yourself in such a thing and try and understanding more about it. I think that would be my closing statement with respect to how we can go about these things. So great. I hope you guys got some value out of today's session, and now you can make some better decisions as to which domain you want to buy, or ENS, Unstoppable, or both. I have both right now. In fact, I can actually go on OpenSea and show you guys how it looks like. Probably it should be appearing on my OpenSea now. Let's see. OpenSea.io. My profile is added already. Yep. You see here? Yeah, she made this .crypto. Came up as an NFT on my profile. So 90% have this trade because they look like similar, right? 90% of them probably are that. It's a crypto name service where it is used to resolve cryptocurrency addresses and decentralized websites. About Unstoppable domains, and in details, you would see that it's the ERC 721, which is the standard for the NFTs. Ethereum standard for NFTs is ERC-721. It's minted on the Polygon blockchain. The creator fees are 0%, which means even when I sell this domain, there is no fees that will go to Unstoppable Domains, which means that the entire fee minus OpenSea fees will come to me. Minus OpenSea fees and minus gas fees, of course. So this is where the item activity and everything comes from. And these are the other people's collection. Jivora Hotels, it's one of the amazing hotels in Dubai. They also have their thing, and jivorahotels.wallet.nft.blockchain priced at 6 Ether. Cool. Yeah. So yes, this is how it looks, and I hope it made sense to you, and now you can make a informed decision. Now my next question is to Vishishta and Rahil again. Are you inspired to take an unstoppable domain for yourself? If yes, which domain are you planning to buy? And others in this group who did not buy an ETH domain or anything, are you motivated to buy any domain? And which one would you buy? Would you buy a ETH domain or would you buy a unstoppable domain? Let me know here in the comments so that I get an idea of what you guys are wondering and wanting. Rahil Rahman.nft. That sounds cool, Rahil. That's amazing. Rahil Rahman.nft. I'll be looking up for all your NFT gallery. I mean, all the NFTs that you hold, if you already have some, or if you're planning to buy a lot of them or making a lot of them, I'll be up for, visiting your profile and checking your NFTs out. That's cool. That's cool, Rahil. Congratulations and all the best. What about others? Others, are you planning to get into domains? And which domain would you buy for yourself? ENS domains or unstoppable domains? And what would be your domain name? Rahil Rahman.nft, I think you would get that for $20. And if you would use this coupon, probably you'll get it for $10. So Vishishta is like, as of now, I'm broke. So maybe Vishishta.crypto. That's nice, Vishishta. And you could get that for $30, right? Instead of 40, you can get it for 30. Or probably you can look out at the Twitter of Unstoppable Domains and you can see there if they are doing some more, giveaways where you get some credits like that. It is worth being on crypto Twitter. But, seeing the market condition right now, I don't think something of that sort is going to happen sooner. But definitely when market stabilizes a bit, probably, Unstoppable Domains might do something like they did for Saudi Arabia women. Probably we could also get that chance, all the women in India get a free domain to their names. That will be interesting, right? Yeah. And I hope Unstoppable Domains is hearing us. So Danish is like, everyone around calls me DAA. So maybe DAA.nft. That's cool. I think DAA.nft would be hard to find. Yeah, just out of interest, I'm curious to see if uh, that is going to be a easy available thing or not. I think it should be damn costly. Let's see. DAA. Wow. See, DAA.nft is $3,000, Danisha. Would you want to spend that amount? I'm looking forward to understand from you if you would want to spend $3,000, which is close to 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh rupees. Would you want to spend that much of amount to buy this? Probably if I had to check, Dani.nft. Yeah, that's even more costly. Oh, so Dani.x, Dani.crypto, Dani.coin is already gone. Danish is like, it's okay, I'll get Danish itself. So yeah, you see, Dani, I think it's some celebrity, right? So Dani.x, Dani.crypto, Dani.coin, Dani.zil is already gone, and this Dani.nft is $9,998. Wow. And if I just made this Danish, I think you'll definitely get it for 20. Yeah, you see, $20. Cool. And remember, guys, if you want a website to be made, it is better to take .crypto because the website feature is allowed only in .crypto. And as per my research, NFT gallery is also uh, provided for .crypto holders and not for others. So probably do your own research and then understand which ones exactly do you want to buy, because You pay $10, $20, or $40. Money is always money, and we should respect money. So no point of just buying it if it has no use case. So according to me, according to whatever I researched, it is going to work. The website is going to work only with .crypto domains, and also the NFT gallery is going to work with .crypto. So check that out and then make an informed choice. Cool. So I'm so happy to see all of you so excited about it, and we'll make an action. We'll take an action around it. Cool. All the best. Congratulations. And if you need any help, I'm always available on Instagram or LinkedIn. Just a message away. I'll be there. And like I told you guys yesterday, today I am leaving to Raipur. I'm going to be there for the next 10 days. Some events plus some solo backpacking trip for me. And I was wondering, if I should have. So I'm going to the Niagara Falls of India, which is Chitrakote waterfalls, Chitrakote or Chitrakoot, as you call it. It is very beautiful, definitely in monsoon. I'll be in the start of the monsoon, so I don't know if it would look like Niagara exactly, but it is around a tribal area called Bastar, and that's a very beautiful place. Because I love my creator friends so much, the day I'm at Chitrakoot Falls should talk about crypto, Web3, NFT, blockchain, nothing that day. We'll just relish and enjoy and relinquish ourselves in nature. If you're up for it, probably I will talk to creator team and see if that's a doable thing. Next week, I'm going to be there around in Chitrakoot waterfalls, and I would love to show you guys. Yeah, so that's my plan. A little sort of break for myself, but I'm going to come back very soon, next to next week. So I'm going to be back next Sunday to Chennai, and after that we'll continue our stream towards the end of the month. So don't forget me while I'm gone. I'm going to be here always, and we'll stay in touch. And let's meet soon. We'll meet by the end of the month, and I'll miss you all. Love you. Okay, Vishishta is a little sad. That makes me sad as well, Vishishta. Don't worry. I'm going to be around and I'm going to miss you all, definitely. If I had known your Instagram handles, I would definitely tag you when I'm there around. So if you guys want to connect, drop me a message on Instagram. I go with the same handle, Yashika Khatir, on Instagram as well. So you can find me there and we can stay in touch. Cool. Nice. Thank you so much, Vishishta. And thank you so much, everyone, for being here. I hope you got some value today and it gave you some little perspective if you should or should not buy a domain name. And if you are interested, go for it. All the best. Any questions? I'm always here to answer them. And I'll see you after 10 days. So after 26th, I'm coming back on 26th. Yes. So after 26th, we are going to have our sessions again. If you have any suggestion, if there's a topic which you want me to cover, please go ahead and drop it out in the comments right now, or reach out to me personally saying that you want me to talk about that topic. We'll definitely come up with that. I think if Decentraland is still interesting to people, we can do one topic on Decentraland. If there's anything else that you guys want me to talk about, ENS domains was something which was very much asked about. That's why I did 2 sessions on this. If there's anything else that you guys want me to talk about, also there is a plan which I have in my mind where I want to bring, because I'm a part of an international community with respect to NFTs. I have a lot of friends, Indian and outside India, who are into NFTs. Probably, if everything goes well, I'll try to bring few of them along with me on Creator so that we can have a great conversation, and you guys can ask them all the questions and we can have some good time together. So this is the plan for my next streams. If you have some other suggestions, do drop it down here in the comment and I'll be so glad to hear them. And if I can do anything about it, I love to. Definitely. Thank you so much, guys. Mini says awesome session. Danisha says can't wait for the next session. Thank you so much, Mini and Danisha. Thank you for all the love, and I'll see you again. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. I'm going to miss you all. Stay well. Take care. Be at peace. Have fun. And we'll meet again at the end of the month. Thank you so much for all the love. And thank you so much for making me #1 trending speaker here on Creator. It means a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much. Eternally grateful to all of you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Have fun.